I've completed my MS from a well-reputed private institute and now I'm planning to join a hospital. However, I'm feeling a bit apprehensive about prescribing medications, particularly brand names, as during my residency we were exposed to only a limited set of drugs. Because of this, I do not feel fully confident about the wide range of brand names commonly used in practice. I would be grateful for your guidance on how to overcome this hesitation and build confidence in prescribing it. Additionally, I would like to know what steps I can take to better prepare myself before starting as a consultant in a private setup. I would advise you not to focus much on brand names, but to focus on generic names. See, as doctors also, we are also not allowed to, prescribe brand names so easily. You must be knowing all the generic names. For example, if a pregnant patient comes to you, give her iron, you have to give her calcium, you have to give her folic acid. Now, the brand, that depends upon you, whatever brand you like. Once you start sitting in the OP, there will be a lot of brands which you'll get to know gradually. So don't worry much about brands. Even if you write the generic name, the patients will be able to go and get some brand. When the patient will come with that particular medicine to you, you will yourself start learning brands slowly. So that is a very gradual process which will happen with you when you start sitting in OPD on a regular basis. And for you, the more important thing is to know the generic name of drugs, to know what chemical constituent you have to prescribe in what sort of disease. So it does not actually matter whether you remember the brand name or not, but you must be remembering what generic drug you have to give to that patient. Preparing yourself better as a consultant in private practice, I would ask you to never stop reading, because all the guidelines are getting updated every year. So whatever patient comes to you, just try to revise that guideline, because when we were residents, some other guideline we must be following. But now, because with time, every guideline is being updated and new updates are coming in almost every sector of OBGYN. So as new things are coming up, just stay updated so that you are able to give the best management to your patients.